For decades, the construction industry has been slow to change. Now, prefab and modular construction is disrupting the industry and moving towards more automation and efficiency. At ARDEX, we have been developing innovative solutions for the construction industry for over 70 years and are at the forefront of leading-edge technology for prefab and modular systems. Our exclusive Microtech and Ardu Rapid technologies have been a benchmark for construction chemicals. Our tiling and flooring systems offer a solution to the most complex problems with an all-around support. We have developed our products to fit the unique requirements of prefab and modular. Our approach is tailored to individual customers and includes product development, field support, education, technical training, and testing, making us the partner for the prefab and modular industry. For modular bathrooms, we offer a full system from waterproofing to tiling and shower drains. This system minimizes the risk of transport damage through vibration, is a proven system for long-term success, and can be tailored to increase the production efficiency in the factory. Supporting our products is an extensive portfolio of services, including automated applications, making us not just a material supplier, but a partner. With our strong international presence, we are here to support you in your projects all across the world. We are looking forward to being your partner and developing the industry together with you.